In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse and find photos in the Google Photos app. If you've ever wondered how to quickly see everything you've uploaded and then zero in on a specific shot, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. This is your central hub for all the pictures and videos you've saved to your account. When the app opens, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a few options there, and the one we're interested in right now is Photos. Go ahead and tap Photos. This takes you straight to your main photo feed. In the Photos view, you'll see your images organized in a clean, chronological timeline with the most recent items at the top. Scrolling here is the easiest way to see everything you've uploaded. As you move down the feed, you'll notice date labels that help you understand when those images were taken or added. This feed includes all the content you've uploaded to your account, so if you've captured pictures on your device or saved them to your library over time, they'll appear here. Take a moment to scroll and get a sense of how your memories are laid out. This is the fastest way to browse through your collection at a glance. Now, if you're looking for something specific and don't want to scroll for long, tap Search at the bottom. This is where Google Photos really helps you find what you need quickly. You can search by date, place, or objects. For dates, you can type something like July 2022, last summer, or a specific day if you remember it. For places, try a city, a landmark, or a location name that was associated with the photo. And for objects, think of everyday terms like sunset, beach, dog, birthday cake, or mountain. The app uses information within your photos, like timestamps, location data when available, and visual features, to surface the most relevant results. As you type, you'll often see suggestions appear under the search bar. These can help you refine your query and jump straight to the right group of photos. If the first search doesn't bring up exactly what you're after, try a slightly different word or another detail you remember. You can always return to the Photos tab to keep browsing the full feed. And that's it. Open the app, browse everything in the Photos tab, and use Search to pinpoint images by date, place, or objects. With these tools, you'll find what you need fast and enjoy your photo library with ease.